Have you ever wondered where chickens came from? Let's take a journey through time and uncover the fascinating history of chicken domestication. Chickens were first domesticated around 8,000 years ago. But where did it all start? Research suggests that Southeast Asian red junglefowl are the ancestors of modern chicken. These birds were native to the forests of Southeast Asia. It's believed that early humans domesticated red junglefowl by providing them with food and shelter. Over time, these birds adapted to their new environment and changed through selective breeding. As humans migrated and traded goods, chickens spread across the globe. Today, chickens can be found on almost every continent, playing a vital role in many cultures and economies. And that's the story of how chickens became one of the most widespread and popular domesticated animals in the world. From their humble beginnings in Southeast Asia to their current status as a global phenomenon. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more amazing poultry facts